Happy Vlogmas! Hey, happy Vlogmas. Today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and I want to show y'all how I got these festive holiday waves. I usually just wear my hair straight or a little curl at the end, but I wanted to do something a little different. The next holiday event I'm going to, baby, no more plain Jane, no more just straight. I am going with my... Yes, honey. I'm going with my waves. My hair is freshly washed, freshly braided down. I'll show you the braid down. I just washed my wig and I am going to crimp it for the holidays. So normally I wear my hair straight, or maybe I'll have like a little bump in it or whatever, a little curl. But holiday season means fun and festive, right? So I'm going to crimp my hair and I'm going to show you guys how to crimp your hair as well. So let's get into it. Here is my nice and neat braid down. Okay, yes, I braided this down myself. And yes, I did have to take off 2 nails on each hand just to be able to grip this down and braid it to my scalp. But I feel like I did an amazing job and I'm proud of myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is snatch this wig off my head, honey. Tell me how easy it would be if we could just take our heads off our bodies to do our hair at home at all times. Well, the wig is giving me the chance to do that. I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Serum to get the hair nice and silky before I go through it once with my flat iron just to get it a little bit more straight. Again, this is just freshly washed and blown out with the blow dryer. I want it to be sleek and straight before I go in with my crimper. This crimper off Amazon, and although it worked well for me, I do not recommend it. It only has 2 settings, 410 and 356. Baby, I need this to go up to 450. Okay, so if you see this on Amazon, just skip over it, honey, and try the next one. The key here is to use some holding spray before you begin the crimping. That way your curls will stay in a little bit longer. When you comb them out, you will still have the shape there. And plus, I like to hear the little sizzle that it makes when I first hit the hot iron to the spritz that's on the hair. Be sure you are separating the hair in very thin sections. That way you can get a deeper crimp. the hair to be as stiff as possible so that when you comb out these crimps, they get to remain in the hair for days and days on end. This style is so convenient. All you have to do is wake up, brush, and go. I mean, these curls last. Okay, hold on. Where is my rat tail comb? Y'all, I got stuff everywhere, but I'm looking for my rat tail comb. I can't find it right now. So I'm just gonna use this. I need to get my part right. Hold on. I like it. Yes! Oh my God, y'all. With some super cute, like, ribbons. I don't know if that's too childish, but yes, I love it. I think it's soft. I don't think it's too big. I love me some big hair. I think it's soft looking. I think it's cute. Yes, baby. Okay. Thank you. Done with my hair. I don't know how often I'll be crimping it because I'm not gonna lie, it took forever. But I like the outcome. Waves for days. Shiny, black, waves. I like it. Tell me what y'all think. Happy holidays. Do you like mommy's hair? Thank you. Show your Christmas pillow. Push the button.
Okay.
Push it. No, push the button on the pillow. Whoa. Oh, okay. I'm so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. Last year, I watched all the content creators and their Vlogmas journey, so I could not wait this year to do my own. And I just hope, honey, I can keep up with the 25 days. Is it 25 days? Is it 30 days? I don't know, but baby, we could take it all the way to the 31st if you want to. We have 2 birthdays this month. We have my oldest on the 17th and the youngest is on the 30th. So December is going to be jam-packed, and I got all the holiday festive juices in my bones, okay? I just can't wait to show you guys what I'm up to this December, okay? So Vlogmas, here we come. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.